Well, this may be the most tiresome thing that you will have to do in OneNote, but you do want your OneNote organized and structured, and having in mind that you can distribute a whole content library into another class notebook. This will be a one-time thing. So if you structure and organize your content library once, then you can distribute that same content library into all of your class notebooks and have that same structure in all your class notebooks. So now I will show you how to organize your content library, how I would organize my content library. So the one thing is to have everything into section groups and sections. And the other thing is just add a section for lessons and have one page per lesson, or one page and a sub-page for the lessons. Now, let's start with structuring and organizing your class notebook, because it will be easier for you to get around things and for your students to find things. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to add 2 section groups. So this is a new section group inside my content library. And this section group, I will name it first semester. Okay, and I will add another section group that I will name second semester. So I have 2 section groups for the 2 semesters. Oh, this didn't turn right, so I can move it here, not there. Yep, it should not be a subsection of this section. It should be, yeah, a section of the content library. Yes, there it is. So I have first semester and I have second semester. Now in first semester, I'm going to add a new section group that I will name first quarter. And another one that I will name, well, this one should be under here. Yep, I will name it second quarter. There you go. In the second semester as well, I'll have a section group named first quarter and a section group named second quarter. Okay, let me just put this here. There you go. Now, in first semester and first quarter, that is the only one that I'm going to complete. In first quarter, I'm going to add sections for each week. So I have week 1, and then I have week 2 and week 3, and that's just enough. Okay, I don't really like the colors, so let me change. With the right click, you're able to change the section color. Let's go with pink. No, purple. Okay, purple it is. Week 1, week 2, week 3. In week 1, I have a page named lesson 1, and then I'll add another page, lesson 2, and another one for lesson 3. So once I finish with week 1, I go to week 2, and there also I add lesson, let's say 4. Week 2 is lesson 4 and lesson 5. Or you can just go with 1, 2, 3 again, and let's say lesson 6. So if you just look at the week 1, you'll be able to see lesson 1, 2, 3, week 2, lesson 4, 5, 6. First quarter, I have week 1, week 2, week 3. I can do the same thing with second quarter, and I will do the same thing with the second semester. First quarter, I'll have week 1, 2, 3, second quarter, week 1, 2, 3, and so on. And so I have made a structure for my content library. And when you look at it in OneNote Windows 10, it really is very easy for students to find their lesson. But if they're using another version, for example, the Windows 2016, it is not that easy. So next thing that we will do is create a table of content that will make it very easy for students to navigate and find their lessons.